Rice is one of the main cereal crops, providing sustenance for over 65% of the global population.
In Vietnam, rice serves as both a vital food source and a strategic export commodity, playing a crucial role in the nation's economic development.
There is a unique cultivation method in the traditional agricultural practices of people living in the highland regions of Vietnam and the Southeast Asian area, which involves growing rice on terraced fields.
The local people will choose hillsides and mountains to create flat terraces for cultivating, sowing seeds, and planting rice.
Every year, spanning from approximately June to October, unfolds a sequence of stages within the farming season, from the inundation period to the emergence of lush green rice shoots, culminating in the harvest of golden ripe rice, collectively resembling an artistic masterpiece skillfully carved into the mountains and forests by the hands of the farmers.
In the present day, these terraced fields serve as more than just rice granaries, ensuring prosperity for people in highland regions. They have also become a tourist attraction that draws many domestic and international visitors, becoming a cultural beauty and a source of pride for the Vietnamese people.
Drawing inspiration from the terraced fields cultivation, the ABU Robocon 2024 competition theme hosted by Vietnam has devised robot challenges centered around key phases like planting and harvesting rice. ABU Robocon 2024 Quảng Ninh Vietnam contest theme is Harvest Day.
Each team has two robots, namely Robot 1 and Robot 2. Robot 2 is an automatic robot. In each match, the red team and the blue team will compete within a 3-minute round.
The competition area is divided into 3 areas: Area 1, Area 2, and Area 3.
Area 1 includes Start Zone, Seedling Rack. Each team has 12 seedlings. Planting Zone.
Area 2 consists of Retry Zone for Robot 2, Water Zone, Harvesting Zone with 6 paddy rice and 6 empty grain available for each team.
Area 3 includes Storage Zone. The Silo Zone has 5 silos. In Zone 3, there are 6 paddy rice and 10 empty grain pre-positioned in the storage zone. The match begins.
In Area 1, the robots will move to the seedling rack, collect seedlings, and then proceed to the planting zone to plant. Each successful planting of a seedling earns 10 points.
In Area 2, the robots will harvest paddy rice and empty grain at the harvesting zone and transfer them to the storage zone in Area 3 in the following order: 1 empty grain and 1 paddy rice. Each successful transfer scores 10 points. However, the number of paddy rice and empty grain that the robot harvests cannot exceed the number of seedlings planted in Area 1.
In Area 3, only Robot 2 can enter Area 3. Robot 2 picks up paddy rice and stores them into the silos in the silo zone. Robot 2 successfully stores 1 paddy rice into a silo, earns 30 points.
The match will finish when a team successfully fulfills the paddy rice storing task into the silos and meets the following conditions. Successfully store the team's paddy rice into a minimum of 3 silos. Ensures that the silos are fully filled with paddy rice and contain a minimum of 2 paddy rice collected by the team. Positions the team's paddy rice at the top. At that point, the team will achieve an absolute victory, the Mùa Vàng.
Let's bring your most brilliant robots to the ABU Robocon 2024 Quảng Ninh, Vietnam to successfully harvest as much paddy as possible.